Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 3rd, subject Marigold, textbook, Unit 8. What's in the mailbox? This poem, in our previous video we have completed this poem and some work in textbook and as well as in workbook. So now today we are going to start a story from this unit 8, My Silly Sister. So let's see. So the story My Silly Sister brings out the beautiful relationship of a young girl with her brother. In this chapter, a boy complains to his mother about his little sister, who seems to be extremely naughty. The story brings out the innocence of a child and the affection of a brother for his little sister. Okay, so now let's read this story. Let's read. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. That means this boy saying about his sister. So is complaining his mother. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. She does not know the difference between the lights in the streets and the bright stars. When we play with pebbles, she thinks they are real food. She even tries to put them into her mouth. When I open a book before her and ask her to learn her ABC, she tears the pages with her hands and roars with joy at nothing. This is your baby's way of doing her lessons. When I shake my head at her in anger and scold her or call her naughty, she laughs and thinks it great fun. Everybody knows that father is away, but sometimes I call out father playfully. She looks quickly about her in excitement and thinks that father is near. Sometimes I hold a class with the donkeys that our washerman brings to carry away the dirty clothes. I warn her that I am the schoolmaster and that she better not make any noise. Only then she keeps quiet. I insist that she should call me Dada. Your baby wants to catch the moon. She is really funny, mother. Funny. Mother, your baby is silly. She is so very childish. And this story written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, now here are some new words. Let's see. Childish, pebble, donkey, dirty, anger, excitement, playful, naughty, washerman. Childish, pebble, donkey, dirty, anger, excitement, playful, naughty, and washerman. Okay, now let's see. Next activity, reading is fun. So here are 4 questions given. We have to give their answers. Okay. So first question is, what does the baby do with the pebbles? What does the baby do with the pebbles? So answer is, the baby thinks that the pebbles are real food and she even tries to put them into her mouth. Then what does the baby do with the book? So answer is, the baby tears the pages of the book with her hands and roars with joy at nothing. Then third one, when does the baby laugh? So the baby laughs and thinks it great fun when her brother scold her. And fourth one, what does the washerman bring donkeys? So the washerman brings donkeys to carry away the dirty clothes on their backs. And now next activity is talk time. Here are two more questions. So let's see. What is the funniest thing the baby does? So we can say that when her brother shakes his head at her in anger and scolds or calls her naughty, the baby simply laughs and finds it very funny. This is the funniest thing the baby does. And do you think the baby sister is really silly? And why? So yes, we can say that the baby is not silly in reality. She is very small and too young to judge between right and wrong things. And now next activity is let's move and dance. So let's read. Hands are for clapping, feet are for walking, hips are for shaking, arms are for stretching, eyes are for blinking, heads are for nodding, elbows are for moving, mouths are for talking. You can make similar words of your own. Okay, now our today's work. Reading is fun activity. You have to write it in your notebook and you have to practice to read this story, and also you have to learn some new words. Okay, and you have to practice to read this let's move and dance activity also. Okay, thank you.